In this video we're going to look at an exam question that involves differentiation with parametric equations. Here we go. A curve is defined by the parametric equations x equals 3 minus 4t, y equals 1 plus 2 over t. And the first part, find dy by dx in terms of t. Well, the key thing here is that dy by dx parametrically is given by the following equation. Dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. So this is the equation we're going to need. So we have to work out what dy by dt and dx by dt are. Well, dx by dt is pretty straightforward. It's just minus 4. And dy by dt is also not too difficult. Dy by dt is minus 2 over t squared. So dy by dx is just minus 2 over t squared divided by minus 4, which is the same as 1 over 2t squared. And that's the first part of the question solved. Dy by dx in terms of t. Okay. So we'll move on to part 2 then. So in B, we're asked to find the equation of the tangent to the curve at the point where t equals 2. Okay, well, equation of a tangent, well, a tangent is a straight line, so we want an equation of the form y equals mx plus c, where m is the gradient. Well, we worked out gradient. Gradient is the same as dy by dx, isn't it? So we're going to use the dy by dx formula. Let's write it down that we already had. Dy by dx is 1 over 2t squared. But we need, to write y equals mx plus c, we need to know what y and x are. When t equals 2, what's x is 3 minus 4 times 2, which is 3 minus 8, which is minus 5. And when t equals 2, y is equal to 1 plus 2 over 2, which is now just 2. And finally, when t equals 2, dy by dx is equal to 1 over 2 times 2 squared, which is 1 over 8. So now we can put these numbers into our y equals mx plus c. We have y, 2, equals m, 1/8, x is minus 5, plus c. 2 equals minus, solving this equation to find c, we get c equals 21 over 8. Okay, and that means that our equation y equals mx plus c is y equals m, remember we worked out is, so dy by dx, is 1/8 x plus 21 over 8. Y is 1/8 x over 20 plus 21 over 8. We're not quite finished yet because it's not quite in the right form. So I'm just going to move to a bit of free space. We're going to just rewrite this in the correct form. First we'll move the x and y's all to the same side. We get 1/8 x minus y plus 21 over 8 equals c. Equals 0. Equals 0. And the question asks for a, b, and c all to be integers. So we're going to multiply everything through by 8 to turn our fractions into integers. Multiply through by 8, I get x minus 8y plus 21 equals 0. So that's my equation. A is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 8, and c in this case, the c that they're asking for in the question is 21. And this is the equation of the tangent.